Welcome back to Beautiful Mess. My name is Gretchen. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by and clicking on this video. Welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. Today's video is a nap time clean with me. So we had just gotten back from being out and my son was due for his nap, and I figured I would try to get some cleaning done while he took a nap. Normally he does just nap for about an hour. This particular day, he was so tired from all the jumping that he had done beforehand, he took almost a 2-hour nap, which gave me a lot of time to clean up and get a few things done, which really never happens for me. So because this was a day where we just got up, had breakfast, and got ready to go out the door, I did not take the time to do my cleaning routine. If you saw my cleaning routine video, which was the last video that I posted, then you know that I said on the days that we're home, the cleaning routine goes really well in the morning. And the days that we have to be out of the house, it just doesn't really happen. So you can see here, this is what I'm cleaning up. I am putting dishes away. I'm getting dishes washed, and this is all from breakfast. If you haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and I'll link it in the description box below, and you can check it out after you're done with this one. If you notice, I'm making like funny faces while I am putting dishes away. This was because a lot of the things that I was putting away were making a lot of noise, and I was trying really hard not to wake up my son. And I was also talking to my younger sister who was staying with me for the night, and she was laughing at me because of how I was trying not to make loud noises with the dishes.
clothes that needs to be hung up. And that's not gonna happen right now because my son is sleeping in my room and all of this is our clothes that needs to be hung up. Although some of it needs to be ironed, and I'm not doing that right now. So it's just gonna stay here for now until I get to it this evening, or maybe tomorrow, let's be real. But it's not clothes that needs to be folded, it's all stuff that just needs to be hung up. Minus this shirt right here. Everything else is blouses and stuff that just needs hangers. So I am not going in my room to wake up my son. I'll just fold this one shirt, put it in the basket, and then I will go ahead and I will clean my son's room. And I probably am not making my bed today because I didn't do it this morning. And again, my son is sleeping in my bed, so I'm not going in there, I'm not bothering. I did recently give my bathroom a really good deep clean and declutter. So, but you guys won't be seeing that until July. And it'll be early in July, and I'm so excited because it's a collab with a few other moms that I have been talking to on YouTube, and that they have just become a really amazing support group of women. So I'm excited because I am doing a collab with them, and it includes my master bathroom, and I finally got that checked off my list. So keep an eye out for that video coming early July. So yeah. So you won't see me cleaning out my bathroom because I've already done that. And then I will go to my son's room. And if I can get this fan in the living room dusted, I just bought that End Dust, that's what it's called. And I really liked how it worked. I bought it yesterday when I was at Walmart, and I was excited to try out because I've seen so many people talk about it and read about it and use it. So I figured I would just go ahead and give it a try, and I'm so glad that I did because I love it. This video is not a sponsored video, but I really like the product, so I want to clean my fan with it. But first I want to head over to my son's room and just get that cleaned up. It's not really messy. It's just a few toys scattered around from last night, I believe, or this morning. In any case, let me go ahead and get that done.
So to clean the fan, I am just using the End Dust and my Dollar Tree glove, mitt, whatever you want to call it, duster. I love using this thing, but I love it even more now using it with the End Dust. That stuff is so awesome. It just cleaned that fan so well. It cleans up the dust so well. So I really do love it, and I like using my little glove to spray the End Dust on it and then just go that way. I did before I started. I actually sprayed the spray on the actual fan blades. Then I realized I was getting spray everywhere, so I now will just spray it on my mitt and then I go ahead and clean. I did clean the other frame that's on the other side of this window, but that clip was so dark you couldn't even see me in it. So I just got this one for you guys, and then I am going to go ahead and dust the curtain rod up there. Everything's really dusty up there, so I figured I'd go to town. I was having fun with my little glove and my End Dust, so I was dusting everything that day. The last thing I wanted to do was go ahead and sweep up all of the dust that had fallen from the fan. I had previously run my robot vacuum, but because I did this during the morning when we were gone, by the time that I was cleaning and dusting, there was more stuff on the floor, because you know that's how it goes. So I just wanted to go ahead and sweep that up, and then I wanted to mop my floor because I am trying to mop them once a week, and I know that probably sounds terrible, but that is my goal I'm trying to accomplish. It's always the last thing besides the laundry that gets done. So I went ahead and I mopped the floor quickly. I took advantage because my son was still sleeping. I could not believe it. And that's it, guys. That was my nap time. Clean with me. I feel like I got a lot accomplished, more than I would normally on a regular nap time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Also, leave me a comment if you're new. I'd love to hear from you, or just leave me a comment saying, hey, I love to talk to you guys in the comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button, because I would love for you to become a part of my family. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.